What's up, Knife Tube? It's Diamond Cut Steel, and you guys are going to learn something today. And what you're going to learn today is one hellaciously good deal. It would be this piece from 704 Tactical. A nice chunky little axis style or crossbar style lock knife on bearings. G10 handle scales, steel liners, 14C28 blade steel. This is one hell of a good deal. $19. Well, $19.99. It's on sale right now in the orange and blue. You can get the orange one or the blue one. Satin blade, 20 bucks. 20 bucks on Prime. You cannot beat this knife for $20. Solid in hand. Good action. I'm going to say they're made by Civivi for them. That's what it looks like to me. By the packaging, by the feel of the knife. 3.5 ounces. Just say 3.6 ounces for, what is it? 3 3/4 handle. Uh, 2 7/8 blade, and damn it, what, 7 3/4 overall. So this is a hell of a little knife for $20. In fact, I don't think you can find better for 20 bucks. You would be really hard pressed to find a better built knife than this for $20. It's a good looking knife too. Really well done crossbar lock action. And when I say no play, I mean absolutely zero. That is as rock solid as it gets. Hell yeah. Go pick you one of these up for $20. You cannot beat it. It comes in the standard Civivi-ish stuff. I'm almost sure that Civivi makes the knives for them. Here's the box. Here's the pouch. Cleaning cloth. Standard Civivi stuff. The box has Civivi written all over it. Not literally, but yeah, it's Civivi's making these for them, I'm sure. How they can do that for $20, I don't know. The 14C feels just exactly how I expect Civivi 14C to feel on the stones. That's exactly how this feels. So I do not doubt for a second that it's 14C. By the way it polishes, by the way it cuts. As far as cuts, I mean cuts on the stones. By how it feels on the stones, how it polishes, I have no doubt that's 14C. It feels well done. It responds well. I also have the bigger one. This one here, I haven't sharpened yet, but the bigger one I've sharpened a couple times. I don't know how long these are going to be that price. I think they're normally $32, and that's still a solid knife at $32. But at $20, come on, man. Come on, man. You got to go pick one of these up. This is a damn solid knife for $20. Alright guys, I'll put the link in the description. If you want to use my link to pick one up, you'll make me a few pennies, get me a gift card so I can buy something else for the channel. If not, no problem. You guys have a good day. I'll talk to y'all later.